Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: print on demand. If you've ever wondered what print on demand is all about and how you can benefit from it, you're in the right place. So let's dive in. Print on demand, or POD, is a business model that allows you to create and sell custom designed products without having to manage inventory or worry about fulfillment. It's a fantastic way to turn your creative ideas into profitable ventures. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of print on demand. One of the biggest advantages of print on demand is that it eliminates the need for upfront inventory investment. You can create your designs and upload them to a print on demand platform, and they take care of printing, packaging, and shipping when a customer places an order. This means you don't have to worry about production costs or storage space. However, it's important to note that there are also some challenges associated with print on demand. For instance, since you're not in control of the production process, quality control becomes crucial. You need to choose a reliable print-on-demand partner to ensure your designs are printed and shipped with care. Now, let's explore how and where you can get started with print on demand. There are several print-on-demand platforms available, such as Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble, which provide you with the tools and infrastructure to create and sell your products. These platforms integrate with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, making it easier for you to set up your online store. When it comes to timing, the best time to start print on demand is now. With the rise of e-commerce and social media, the demand for custom designed products is constantly growing. So, don't wait too long to get started on your print on demand journey. Now, let's set some expectations regarding print on demand. Print on demand can be a lucrative business, but it's essential to have realistic expectations. The income you can generate depends on various factors like the quality of your designs, marketing efforts, and target audience. It's also important to invest time in research and promotion to maximize your chances of success. In terms of resources, you'll need a computer or laptop, graphic design software, and an internet connection. As for equipment, you won't require any upfront investment since the printing and fulfillment are handled by the print-on-demand platform. And that brings us to the conclusion of this video. We hope you found this introduction to print on demand helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. It really helps support our channel and encourages us to create more valuable content like this. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram at @itsu_money for behind the scenes peeks and updates on upcoming videos. Link in description. Before we go, I'd like to give a shout out to another fantastic channel called Motivation and Finance. They provide excellent content on personal finance and motivation. Check them out, and stay tuned for their latest videos. Oh, and by the way, our next video will be all about trading, specifically stock market trading. You don't want to miss it, so make sure to hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching, and remember, your creativity and entrepreneurial spirit can take you places. See you in the next video.